When the solar irradiance is normal, the inverter output power drops to 0 unexpectedly. The inverter may be on-grid, protected against a fault, or shut down. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. Update the inverter software to the latest version. On the home screen, choose Maintenance. Upgrade. Access the device upgrade screen and tap Update. If an optimizer exists, update the MBUS to the latest version. On the home screen, choose Maintenance. Upgrade. Access the device upgrade screen and tap Update. Check whether the curve is related to the solar irradiance on that day. If the issue occurs only on one or several days, or the same issue occurs at a site nearby, and the issue can disappear automatically, it is caused by solar irradiance. No action is required. Check whether related alarms are reported. If related alarms over voltage, under voltage, over frequency, under frequency, grid failed, or 2002, 2003 DC arc fault are generated, handle them as instructed. If no alarm is generated, provide the logs. Check the PVESS system. Choose Plants. Device Management. Set device type to battery and click Search. Check whether the temperature is within the normal range, -20 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius. Send a command to shut down the inverter. Check in two scenarios, optimizers configured for all PV modules and other causes. In the optimizers configured for all PV modules scenario, check the optimizer operations first. Check whether optimizer search has been performed. Check whether any optimizer fault alarm has been reported. Clear the alarm based on the suggestion. Try to start the inverter on the local app. In the other causes scenario, check whether shutdown at high feed-in power is enabled. On the home screen, choose Power Adjustment. Grid Tied Point Control. Shutdown at high feed-in power. Check whether upper feed-in power threshold for inverter shutdown and high feed-in power duration threshold for triggering inverter shutdown are met. If the conditions are met, the inverter is shut down by a command. You are advised to disable this option. Try to start the inverter on the local app. Check whether the meter communication status is offline. Check the meter communications cable connection. The alarm is automatically cleared once the RS485 communication recovers. Try to start the inverter on the local app. Check whether shutdown at 0% power limit is enabled. On the home screen, choose Set. Power Adjustment. Disable shutdown at 0% power limit. Try to start the inverter on the local app. Check Dry Contact function. On the home screen, choose Set. Feature parameters. Check whether NS Protection, DI Rapid Shutdown, or Shutdown System via DI is set for dry contact function. Try to start the inverter on the local app. Check the status of manual shutdown. On the home screen, choose Maintenance. Enable inverter on or off. If the problem persists, contact Huawei technical support.